Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about frontier molecular orbital theory of cycloaddition reactions. So friends, in FMO theory, so what you have to discuss? So in FMO theory, the cycloadditions are generally involved by two or more than two independent pi partners. So therefore friends, in that one pi partner acts as donor, another pi partner acts as acceptor. One pi partner acts as donor, another pi partner acts as acceptor. HOMO always taken from donor based on the given condition. If you are discussing about thermal condition, select HOMO from ground state. If you are discussing about photochemical condition, select HOMO from first excited state. LUMO always takes from the acceptor, so that may be thermal condition or photochemical condition. It always takes from ground state only. So friends, right here under thermal condition, HOMO and LUMO are taken from ground state only, from both the partners, donor and acceptor. Under photochemical condition, HOMO takes from first excited state of donor, LUMO takes from ground state of acceptor. So now you see the bonding interaction. If it is a bonding interaction, the given condition is allowed. If you get anti-bonding interaction, the given condition is forbidden. So what is that friends? So in cycloadditions, when two or more than two independent pi partners are participating, one pi partner acts as a donor, other pi partner acts as a acceptor. Always we take the HOMO from donor, LUMO from acceptor. Under thermal condition, HOMO and LUMO are taken from ground state only. But under photochemical condition, HOMO selected from first excited state of donor and LUMO selected from ground state of acceptor molecule. Then you see the bonding interaction or anti-bonding interaction. So such interaction gives bonding interaction, then that is a allowed. If you get anti-bonding interaction, that is a forbidden. So let's see the friends here. 4n pi cycloaddition reactions. Example is dimerization of ethylene. So friends, here, so the reaction is ethylene molecule. So for our easy convenience, I am saying this is as donor because both molecules are ethylene only, but one I am saying as donor, other I am saying as acceptor. So now these two are undergoing reaction. First they forms a cyclic transition state, and the addition is called 2 pi cycloaddition or 4n pi cycloaddition, give the product a cyclic transition state. This cyclic transition state leads to formation of cyclobutane. Okay, so now what you have to do? So you are discussing about thermal condition. So under thermal condition, this is donor, this is acceptor. So select HOMO from donor, LUMO from acceptor. So HOMO from donor, yes, and LUMO from acceptor. So for that you have to write the ground state electronic configuration of donor ethylene. What is that? Two molecular orbitals are present and two pi electrons are present. So therefore the configuration is psi1 to psi2 0. So therefore what is HOMO here? Yes, you can see the HOMO is right psi1. So ground state HOMO of donor is psi1, the molecular orbital obviously. So it has 2 pluses at the top side, 2 minus at the bottom side because psi1 molecular orbital. So to select the LUMO from acceptor, again you have to write ground state electronic configuration of B ethylene. So second ethylene, so that I am saying as acceptor. So what is the configuration? Psi1 to psi2 0 again. So what is the LUMO? Here the LUMO is a psi2. Yes, the LUMO is psi2, right? So we have plus and minus sign. So friends, I hope you understand. So HOMO, LUMO of acceptor and donor. Now let's see, there are four types of mode of additions are there: supra supra, supra antra, antra supra, antra antra. That we are going to explain now. The first one, yes, 2 pi s plus 2 pi s. That means first pi partner undergoing supra mode of addition, second pi partner is also undergoing supra mode of addition. So now let's take S psi 1. What is this psi 1? HOMO of donor. And let's take psi 2. What is this psi 2? Right, LUMO of acceptor. So now this is the first pi partner. So the mode of stereochemical addition is supra. So that is supra mode of addition it is undergoing, and the second one is also undergoing supra mode of addition. So now friends, now I am selecting, so this is lobe. So therefore, right, here you have to select this lobe only, because when pi partner undergoing suprafacial mode of addition, so both lobes should undergo addition from same side. So I selected the bottom side lobe, therefore here you also use bottom side lobe at the next end. So now this is supra mode of addition. So now I am going to select this lobe. So again you have to select the bottom side lobe only, because this pi partner is also undergoing supra mode of addition. Now connect these two lobes. Yes, supra mode of addition, these two are connected. So supra mode of addition, therefore again you have to take the same side lobe, and the same side lobe connect these two. So friends, plus interacted with minus, minus interacted with plus, this is okay, bonding interaction. But plus interacted with minus, this is called anti-bonding interaction. So when you get anti-bonding interaction, so that is forbidden. What is forbidden here? Supra-supra addition is forbidden under thermal condition. The next one is, yes, theta, supra-antra addition. So in this case again you select the HOMO from donor, LUMO from acceptor. So the first pi partner you can see there undergoing supra mode of addition, second pi partner undergoing antra mode of addition. So now here it is undergoing supra mode of addition, therefore I am selecting the bottom side lobes. It is undergoing antra mode of addition, now I am selecting opposite side lobes. Yes, these are opposite side lobes. So otherwise you can use, yes, sorry, yes, you can use the, so this one and this one also, right? You see, you can also use this lobe and this lobe. This is also called antra mode of addition. Now let's connect these two lobes. Yes, right, again let's connect these two lobes, because the first pi partner undergoing supra mode of addition, that's why we selected bottom side lobes. The second pi partner undergoing antra mode of addition, we selected opposite side lobes. One is top side, one is from bottom side. Now you see the bonding interaction or anti-bonding interaction here. Minus interacted with minus, minus interacted with minus. So that is bonding interaction. The bonding interaction is always allowed. What is allowed? Under thermal condition, supra-antra mode of addition is allowed. Okay friends, the second one is, so third one is, yes, antra supra addition. Antra supra addition. You see here, antra supra addition, yes, again select the HOMO from donor, LUMO from acceptor. So now here the first pi partner undergoing antra mode of addition, second pi partner undergoing supra mode of addition. Antra, that means you have to select opposite side lobes. Yes friends, what you have to select? Opposite side lobes. So therefore you see, now I am selecting this lobe and this lobe, because it is undergoing antra mode of addition. So now this pi partner undergoing supra mode of addition, that's why I selected the same side lobes. So now connect the, yes, this lobe and this lobe. Now you connect this lobe and this lobe. Yes, what you got here, plus interacted with plus, bonding interaction, minus interacted with minus, again bonding interaction. So therefore we got bonding interaction. This bonding interaction is always allowed. What is allowed? Antra supra mode of addition is allowed under thermal condition. So now let's select last one, antra antra addition. So select the HOMO of donor, LUMO of acceptor. So now the first pi partner undergoing antra mode of addition, second pi partner also undergoing antra mode of addition. So now you see here friends, what we are going to do, yes, this pi partner undergoing antra mode of addition and the second pi partner also undergoing antra mode of addition. So therefore we are going to select, so this lobe and this lobe, and here antra mode. So we already connected this, therefore we have to select opposite side lobes. So connect both of them. So here this side plus overlapped with plus, no problem, bonding interaction. Here plus overlapped with minus, what is that? Anti bonding interaction. So what we got there? Anti bonding interaction. So anti bonding interaction is forbidden. What is forbidden? Under thermal condition, antra mode of addition is forbidden. So friends, I hope you understand, right? FMO theory of 2pi cycloaddition under thermal condition. Now let's select photochemical condition. So in photochemical condition friends, so this is the donor, so you have to select HOMO from donor and again you have to select acceptor from, yes, sorry, LUMO from acceptor. So for that, write first excited state electronic configuration of donor ethylene. So Psi1 1, Psi2 1. So therefore HOMO is obviously Psi2. So first excited state HOMO of donor is Psi2. Now select LUMO from ground state only. For that write electronic configuration of, yes, LUMO under ground state. So now what is the LUMO here? Again the LUMO is Psi2. LUMO is Psi2 because LUMO selected from ground state LUMO is Psi2. So these are the, so this is a first excited state HOMO of donor, this is a LUMO of ground state. Right now, yes, supra addition. So select the molecular orbital. What is this? Right, Psi2 molecular orbital, that is HOMO from first excited state. So this molecular orbital belongs to donor. Now write a Psi2 molecular orbital from ground state of acceptor. This Psi2 selected from ground state for what? Acceptor. Now you see this pi partner undergoing supra mode of addition. Yes, second pi partner is also undergoing supra mode of addition. Now I am selecting these two lobes because this is undergoing supra mode of addition. Again I am selecting these two lobes because this pi partner also undergoing supra mode of addition. Now connect these two, yes, and again connect these two, yes. So plus interacted with plus, bonding interaction, minus interacted with minus, bonding interaction. So that means, so supra mode of addition giving bonding interaction, therefore under photochemical condition supra is allowed. So next second one, supra antra mode of addition. So for that take the, right, Psi2 molecular orbital, that is HOMO from donor from first excited state, and next select the Psi2 molecular orbital of acceptor, so that is LUMO from ground state. So now the first pi partner undergoing supra mode of addition, yes, second pi partner undergoing antra mode of addition, yes. So this is undergoing supra mode of addition, that's why I am selecting these two lobes because same side lobes. and second pi partner undergoing antra mode of addition. That's why you select opposite side lobes. Yes, opposite side lobes. Now connect these two. Sorry, they used to select yes, opposite side like this. No problem. This is also lumo only, antra only. Yes, these two are connected. Now connect these two. Yes. Now what happened, friends? Here this is given bonding interaction, but this is given anti-bonding interaction. That means supra antra mode of addition giving, yes, anti-bonding interaction. So that's why supra anta interaction is forbidden. So third one is antra supra mode of addition. Antra supra mode of addition. Again select the Site2 molecular orbital of donor from first excited state, Site2 molecular orbital of acceptor from ground state. So first one is HOMO, second one is LUMO. The first pi partner now undergoing antra mode of addition, second one is undergoing supra mode of addition. So that's why you connect these two. Now you connect these two because that is undergoing supra mode of addition. That's why we selected the same side lobes. Here we selected opposite side lobes. Here this is bonding interaction, but here you see this is anti-bonding interaction. So that's why antra supra addition giving anti-bonding interaction. So right, antra supra addition is forbidden under photochemical condition. The last one, antra antra addition. So now select the HOMO from donor, LUMO from acceptor. So now you see here, friends, the first pi partner undergoing antra mode of addition, second pi partner is also undergoing antra mode of addition. You see, right, this is undergoing antra mode of addition. Now friends, what you have to do, right, here these two are connected first. So therefore this pi partner undergoing antra mode of addition, select these two lobes because this pi partner is undergoing antra mode of addition. So now we selected opposite side lobes. Here it is also opposite side lobes. Now connect these two. Yes. After that check the interaction. The interaction is plus plus bonding. Again here plus plus bonding. So therefore antra antra mode of addition giving bonding interaction. So bonding interaction is allowed. So therefore antra antra mode of addition is allowed. So friends, this is about, right, FMO theory of, right, 2 pi 2 pi cyclo additions. Now you have to write Woodward-Hoffmann selection rules. The first type of cyclo addition, yes, mode of addition, allowed condition, forbidden condition. Sir, we cannot remember, we cannot boycott these allowed condition, forbidden condition. Nothing to worry, friends. We can easily, right, remember this concept. Yes, 4 and pi. Yes, mode of addition is supra supra. So friends, already we discussed that in CMO theory, dimerization of ethylene always takes place under photochemical condition. That CMO theory only explained about supra supra, no. So therefore supra supra allowed under photochemical. When it is allowed under photochemical, forbidden under thermal condition. So right, again supra supra is allowed under photochemical condition, antra antra also allowed under photochemical condition. The in middle supra antra, antra supra allowed under thermal condition. You can see supra antra allowed under thermal condition, forbidden under photochemical. Antra supra is thermal condition allowed, photochemical forbidden. Antra antra photochemically allowed, thermally forbidden. Supra supra antra antra allowed under same condition, supra antra antra supra allowed under same condition. So but how to remember this concept? Simply friends, so dimerization of ethylene is a photochemical reaction. You always remember the dimerization of ethylene is a photochemical reaction. Therefore only supra supra is experimentally allowed. So experimentally where it is taking place? Under the light. So therefore supra supra mode of addition is photochemically allowed. When you know the supra supra mode of addition, antra antra also photochemically allowed, supra antra supra thermally allowed. So this is about dimerization of ethylene. Thank you friends.